Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really colorful reverse stamp nail design. So I'm going to use white by Sinful Colors called Snow Me White, red by China Glaze called Sexy Silhouette, a greenish blue by Sinful Colors called Jade Cat, pink by Everglaze called Rethink Pink, a bronze by Finger Paints called Surreal Sunset, and a hollow by Color Club called Don't Harp on It. That's a bunch of colors, but that's what I want for the reverse stamping. Now I'm going to use my Cici and Sisi 18 nail plate, and I'm going to apply black polish on this like circle balls, I don't know, balls design. I just thought, I looked at the design and I thought it'd be perfect for a reverse stamp look because of all the lines and stuff on it. Now you don't have to add all the colors that I did because these are a bunch of colors, but I wanted the reverse stamp design to be really colorful and fun. That's why I added the colors, and they're very like, I guess, pearlescent colors. They have like pearly looks to them, like shimmer into it. So that's what I wanted. I thought it came out really cute. It's a really pretty design. But like I said, you don't have to add as much colors as I did. I just wanted it really colorful and fun. And I haven't done a reverse stamp design in a while because I'm lazy. I'm going to just keep it real. I get lazy because it's so much. It does take time to do. But once you're done with it, it gives it such a nice look and it makes the design unique in your own. So it does take a while to do. And as you can see, I'm using a nail brush. I see people, I say in my other videos, I see people use nail dollars. I don't use them. I don't like using them. I think the brush just gives me more of, a handle on it. That's what I like to use the brush more. But you can use whatever you want. Once I was done, I'm just going to apply that design hard on my nail. I'm going to press it really hard and then slowly take the stamp off so that it doesn't mess up the design. And once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy for you to recreate it. It's not an easy design to do, but once you're done with it, it just comes out really nice and it gives a nice look to your nails. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos, and check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.